Hi everyone! Today I'll show you how DocAcquire processes resumes automatically using AI. Recruiters and HR teams know how challenging resumes can be. Every candidate uses a different format. Some write long paragraphs, some use bullet points, and almost none follow the same structure. Now, what if you need that information, like work experience, education, and skills, organized into a table? Doing this manually takes hours, and it's not scalable when you're dealing with hundreds or thousands of resumes. This is where DocAcquire makes the process effortless. With DocAcquire, you can extract key fields like name, email, phone, education, and skills, and also take advantage of our table extraction feature, where you simply define the columns you want, like job title, company, start date, and location. DocAcquire's AI reads through the resume and organizes everything automatically. Here's an example. After processing, DocAcquire extracts both fields and tables. You can see fields like name, email, phone, education, and skills captured instantly. And in addition, the work experience has been transformed into a structured table. Each job is placed into its own row, neatly filling columns like job title, company, start date, end date, location, and achievements. This is how you'll get the data in Excel when you download it clean, structured fields alongside tabular data, ready to use. With DocAcquire, resumes don't need to follow a standard format. Even if the information is written in plain text, DocAcquire's AI can extract both fields and tables, ready to analyze in Excel. Save time, reduce manual work, and focus on what matters most, finding the right talent. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more exciting updates.